Yo, what's good? Welcome to or back to the channel. First, I want to say thank y'all so much for the support I got on the last sewing video, bro. It's the amount of views and comments I got on that, all positive comments. Like, it was just really like, I was not expecting that. So I want to say thank you so much. But like I did mention, I am just now learning how to sew. This is going to be my second project that I'm going to do, and I said I want to try different methods. So with this method, I went to Michael's and I picked out a piece of fabric that I like, which was this Star Wars fabric, and I was like, yo, I really like this and I would like to make some pants with this. So that's what I'm about to attempt to do. So with this, I don't really have any guide or video to watch, so it's really going to be me just like trying to make these pants really from scratch and just trying something out. So what I'm going to do is really just trace some pants and hope for the best, you know. So let's see how this come out, you know. So hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get it. What I'm doing right now is just like rolling out the fabric because I bought the whole roll. I'm trying to see like how much, like how long do I need it. So since I have the pants on here, I'm probably gonna put them down a little bit more so I have room at the top and room at the bottom. And now I'm about to cut the fabric like probably like here so I don't have to use the roll anymore. But I did cheat a little bit, and they said I need 4 pieces. I cut here, that's gonna be 1, and then I'm just gonna have this side, so that's gonna make 2. Let me cut this, and then we're gonna trace these pants, cut out the 2 pieces that we need, and then repeat that process and do it again. I have so many broken pieces of chalk, but it's only like that because I wanted to make sure I for sure can see the line on this fabric. Bro, it's like 3 a.m. again, but I finally got this pants cut out now. I'm about to lay this down on the other piece of fabric, cut another one out, and then we have to do it 2 more times and then we're good. I know it's gonna be kind of hard to see, but I got it faced like this because I need to have 2 of the patterns going this way and then 2 of the patterns going the opposite way. You will see as the video go on what I mean by that. Oh, this ground is really hard. My knees hurt. Okay, I got a tip for y'all. Get a pillow for your knees. That is so much better. I didn't even think of that until I was like, man, my knees hurt. Get a pillow. Okay, y'all, so I have the first 2 pieces cut out as far as the pants and the leg, but it's only one issue. One leg is definitely wider than the other. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that or if I've done something wrong again. And then this time I don't have anything to follow, so I'm really just kind of like up in the air with it, you know. So but what I'm going to do is just continue it like this, and then I'm just going to go up the original first leg that I traced out and cut out. Anyways, I'm about to do the other side, see how that come out, and just hope for the best, you know. So let's do it. Yeah, I just did the tracing exactly how I did the first tracing. You can actually see the cutout still right there. Now I'm just about to cut it out, and I'm not going to record this part because I don't want to bore y'all from saying clips. Okay, I just cut this one out. It's a little bit more exact than the first cut I made. A little bit off, but you know, more is closer than the first one for sure. Okay, so now that I have all 4 pieces cut out, what I'm about to do now is put the 2 inner layers together and put the 2 outer layers together pin them together, and I think we should be on to the sewing part. So let's go ahead and do that and see what we come up with. And y'all didn't even correct me. I said pins, but you know we use clips. Y'all not seeing this part that I'm at, right? So remember when I said I cheated? I watched the TikTok, and the TikTok said cut 4 identical pieces. So I cut 4 identical pieces. You saw what I did. So now I'm at the spot where I have to match the inner and the outer, but I have to have each front side facing each other. But I can't do that because if I put this side with this side, it's gonna face out, so I cannot match them up. So now I'm thinking, okay, maybe I should have did it the opposite way, which I said earlier in the video. So now I think I have to go back and do that, and I should be back at this spot. But man, I know I sounded frustrated in the last clip, but I'm really not even frustrated that I messed up because it comes with the territory. I'm really more upset that I got to get back on this ground and trace this out again, you know? So, but let's go do that. Enough talking. As you can see, I am going back and correct the error that I did make. I can easily cut like parts like this out of the video so it make it seem like I just done it correctly the first time. But I feel like it wouldn't be as authentic, and I want to show you like I am just now learning how to do this. I am gonna make mistakes while doing this, you know. So I feel like anybody that is like learning, you know, just like I am, like it's okay to make mistakes because you can easily go back and correct what you done wrong. Like, you know, as long as you have enough fabric. That's why I brought the whole roll, because I knew I was gonna mess up, you know. So I feel like making mistakes and messing up is a part of the process. And it helps you learn as well too. Like if you do everything right the first time, like you have nothing to learn from it, you know. So with these two, I think I got them like extremely close to that first cutout that I did, and it's all thanks to using a ruler. It actually helped me, you know, get the lines like closer than I did the first time. Side kind of clipped in right now. I'm about to do the other side, but as you can see, the fabric on the ground is a little wider than the one on the top, and the one on the top is the last ones I did, which was kind of close. So all I'm gonna do now is kind of not pin it, but clip it down and then kind of trim this up to make it a little bit more even with the top fabric. Both of the legs clipped up. My next step, go to the sewing machine. Now for the best part of the video. So this whole side without the curve, I'm gonna stitch that whole side, and then this side I'm gonna stitch it, but I'm not gonna stitch the curve part or up. Okay, so I just stitched the long side, and this was the waist gonna be at, so you can see like the curve, and I just stopped right there on the curve. So now I'm about to put the two pants together and kind of sew them together along this right here. So right now I'm just flipping one of the legs inside out, and then I'm going to insert it into the opposite leg. About to match the waist and the little crotch part up with each other. I got it all clipped in, and now I'm about to just sew this together all the way up to the waistline, but I'm not gonna touch the waistline at all. Bro, I kind of just made myself laugh because like I'm looking at this and I'm like, bro, like where's the other pants leg? And I literally just sewed this together. Okay, let's see if I done this correctly. We gonna look at this together. Okay. Yo, we did it. We did it. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, I'd be too happy seeing this, bro. Like, what? Yes, sir. This is crazy. Like, yo. I know they look a little big, but I wanted them to be like a little baggy. Yes, sir. Yo, this is so lit, bro. The only thing we have to do now is the waist, and we good. So now this part, I definitely have to look up on TikTok. So I'm about to take this elastic out, and I have to sew the elastic together, and let's just do it. I'll get this elastic band, put it around my waist, and see where I'm gonna be cutting it at. Guess I'm not gonna be doing any cutting because it's kind of short anyway, so. Now I have this waistband on the pants. I have it clipped in, and what I'm about to do is pretty much just sew this waistband onto the pants and see what's gonna be the next step after that. I just have a few more things to do, but bro, I am too high. I cannot wait to put these on to see how they gonna fit. Also going like hem the bottom so you don't really see like the raw edges and stuff like that. So we about to try them on first and then see how long they are, and then I would judge if I want to hem them from there. So I'm not even gonna lie, bro, this is so hard. Like, bro, I literally made these, bro. Like, this is fire. So you can see like they are extremely long. So I probably hem it like a couple inches. I'm probably like literally like probably like 2.5 inches or so, but man, this is crazy. I want to know, like, drop a comment. What do y'all think about these, like, right now, bro? Like, this is crazy. Okay, last update on it. What I did, I just laid the pants flat on the ground and kind of evened them out. And I just kind of rolled it up as I went. And as I rolled them up, I kind of just made it even and clipped them in. So I also did something a little different this time. I took this base off, so I'm going to put the pants underneath as well. So as I'm going around the whole thing, it'll just be easier to sew it. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm about to do the second one, but bro, this looks so clean. Like, bro, this is my work. Like, this me. This is so crazy. Like, it's really my little work. All I do is need like some pockets, you know, clean it up, you feel me? Man, I really want to know what y'all think, man. Drop a comment down below. Man, so I guess this video ended right in time because I forgot to do the waist, so I was going back and do the waist, and my needle broke on my sewing machine. So now before I do the next project, I definitely have to get that fixed. Definitely have to get a new needle. Other than that, bro, I am very happy with how the pants turned out, bro. It's so cool to like see, like, all I had was like a piece of fabric and I came out with like some pants, bro. That's really crazy. But I'm not gonna hold y'all up, man. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the page. We're gonna roll to 1K subscribers, you feel me? Hope you enjoyed that video, and I can't wait to see y'all in the next video. So peace.